Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech, and in today's video I'm going to show you what it looks like to use Canva on your phone. If you've never heard of Canva before, it's a free app that you can download. You can download it to iPhone and you can also download it to Android. You can also have it on your computer. So there's many ways that you can use Canva, but for this tutorial we're going to be looking at Canva on your phone. First thing you want to do is install Canva onto your phone. So Canva is like a graphic design, as you can see here, a graphic design type of app. The majority of it is free, and that's what we will be concentrating on this video. So yes, there is a paid version, but that's not what we are going to go into. So the first screen that you're going to get, it's going to ask you to sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or sign up with your email. Or you can just log in if you already have an account. So let's log in. So go ahead and do what you need to do first. I'm just going to log into this because I already have an account with Canva. And this is the main page that you are greeted with. As you can see at the very top here, you've got a search bar, and we can search for particular types of things. So you can search for whatever it is that you're wanting to make the design of, whether it's a YouTube thumbnail, a flyer, a certificate, whatever it is, you can search for it up in here. Then you also have the option to create a design, which is great because, say for example, I was wanting to do a YouTube thumbnail, which I have done in the past. Then I can click on the design of a YouTube thumbnail and it will automatically put in the sizes that I need for a YouTube thumbnail. So as you can see, there's loads of different options that you can use within the design option. Then as we move on down, you can see these are just different templates that Canva are showing, and you can select on them. Just notice in the logos section, you can see the two options here. More towards the right hand of the screen, it says free. These are the free options. Where it doesn't say free, that means that you're going to pay for that particular type of template. So we'll go on to the next part of it, which is in the bottom right hand corner. You can notice there is a plus button. If we tap on this plus button, then we get another search bar at the top for whatever we need to look for. Like I said, whether it's a YouTube thumbnail, whatever it is, an Instagram post, it'll automatically pick the sizes up for you. Or if you wanted to, you could put in your custom size of the particular type of design that you're wanting to make. So we'll come out of there, and then we'll go on to the next page, which is designs. So if you do make anything, then all of your designs will show up in this section. So you can scroll through them, and if you wanted to make an edit of them, then obviously you can do so in here. Then the last tab that we have is the menu button. I don't necessarily go into this, but I'll just point out what you have in here. So you have your account at the top. Then you can have your option, which is things that have been shared with you. The brand kit is something that you pay for. Create a team is something that you pay for. All of your folders, as you can see, you can create different folders in here, and you can hit the little plus button to create a new folder. Go back. And then you have the trash option. So if I go in here, then if I have deleted something by mistake, I can maybe bring that back into Canva, and you can just see your designs from there. And now what we're going to do is try and see how easy it is to create a design from your mobile phone. So what we'll do, we'll just search for a YouTube thumbnail. So if I just type in YouTube, you can see the many different options I have here. So I'm going to go with YouTube thumbnail and tap on that. You can start with a blank canvas if you want, or obviously you've got ones that you can edit in here. Just remember, the ones that say free are obviously the free options for you. So we'll tap on this one, and what we're going to do is edit this to make a YouTube thumbnail. So if I wanted to change this picture, I would tap on it, and it does give me an option down here to replace. So I'm just going to tap on that, and I'm going to hit allow so that Canva can access my photos and videos. So I can click on the recent option and go into particular types of folders on my phone. So I'm going to go into my download folder and I'm just going to select something here that I maybe want to replace that with. So as you can see, I have put that in there. I can obviously adjust where exactly I want to put that just by moving the picture, and we can tap away from that. Then if we want to edit the text, we can do so by just tapping on it and putting on to use Bitmoji. Okay, so obviously you've got your text in there, and if you're happy enough with that, you can click away from it. Another thing you can do down here is select the font that you want to use. Again, there will be paid options and free options, so just select whatever type of font that you want to use. When you're happy enough, just click away from it. Say you wanted to change the particular color of this, then you can tap on that and you can click on the color option, and I can go in here and maybe make that a bit darker if I wanted to. And I can do the exact same thing with the little squiggly line here. I can go into colors and I can make that a bit darker too. Another thing that you can do with this is add in icons. So if I hit the plus symbol down here, and if I hit elements, then I can search for icons and shape. And what I'm going to do is type in Bitmoji and just see if there is an actual icon on here for a Bitmoji. So you can see these three options are paid for, so obviously I'm not going to tap on any of them. So then what I'll do is maybe type in smile, and you can see there's free options in here if I wanted to do that. So I could add in a little icon in there. What I could also do is, you see the way the picture, it's overlapping the writing, I could position this to go behind it if I really wanted to. And there's just so much that you can do with Canva. So this was just a quick tutorial just showing you what you can sort of do with Canva. If you do want me to go into a more in-depth tutorial, I will be happy to do that for you, but it's just a little introduction to Canva on your mobile phone. Thank you guys for watching. You've been listening and watching. I'm Marie from Supreme Guru Tech. Peace.